The ergonomic limitations of pen computing devices often force digital ink annotations to be larger and sloppier than real ink on paper. On paper, annotations are smaller, denser, and easier to read. To address these issues, we have developed DIZI, a zooming focus+context interface for digital document annotation. Users perform a simple gesture to zoom up a region of the document, and then write in the zoomed region at a comfortable size for the device. The zoom region only covers a small portion of the screen, so that users can always see the overall context of the underlying document. When the region is zoomed back to the normal page size, the annotations shrink to an appropriate size for the underlying document. We've experimented with several techniques for initiating zoomed interaction. In our default approach, users initiate a zoom by flicking the pen while holding the pen button. Users end the zoom by tapping the screen with the pen button pressed. The starting point of the gesture controls its zoom origin, and the direction of the gesture controls the orientation of the zoom window. Gesturing vertically results in a vertical zoom window. Users can also directly specify the region to zoom with the rectangle gesture. This approach gives the user more control, but requires more thought and precision than flicking. With a naive implementation, if the user initiates the zoom near the edge of the page, the zoom window will extend off screen. In contrast, DIZI automatically translates the zoom window so that it is fully visible. We have explored several navigation strategies for moving the zoom region. When the user writes near the edge of the zoom window, DIZI automatically repositions the window to create more writing space. In Move Zoom Origin mode, users can drag the zoom region to focus on different parts of the underlying document. Users can directly go into Zoom Origin mode by tapping and dragging outside the zoom window. In Move Paper mode, users can move the underlying document independently of the zoom window. We've informally evaluated DIZI on a number of users. This page of ink was generated using DIZI. Red annotations were created using the zooming interface. Green annotations were created without zooming. Users found zooming most useful when writing text or edit marks in areas of limited white space. They found it less useful when drawing longer figural annotations. In summary, we have found that DIZI is a useful interface for digital ink annotation that helps bridge the gap between pen computers and paper.